So it is very, very important that we say that in combination, acceptance and commitment therapy together with neuroplasticity allow us to reduce the emotional and cognitive responses to tinnitus and focus on more important things. And the outcome will be that the tinnitus over time becomes a lot more prominent, and the brain starts to tell your subconscious, and you will start to learn and feel it as well, that tinnitus loses its importance over you.